live nice. Do not rebuild an Ir Hanidachas, a city which served Avodah Zarah. Lo yisibone oid. We are not allowed to rebuild an Ir Hanidachas, a town where most of its people served Avodah Zarah. It may be made into parkland, orchards, or gardens, but never rebuilt as a city. This shows us how terrible the Aveira of Avodah Zarah is, and that Hashem wants us to know that this place can never again be rebuilt. And if someone does rebuild such a city, the penalty is Malchus. And this mitzvah is a lo yisaseh for men and ladies.